How to use the Mango review system. Our dynamic review system is available for all languages. You'll see the review panel on the right side of your screen. As you progress through each lesson, keywords and phrases are automatically added to the activity. The system will remind you to review these words and phrases so that you can keep your memory fresh. Click Start Review to begin. Similar to quizzes in Mango languages, this is a self-paced activity encouraging users to recall previously learned content. Clicking on See Answer shows the correct translation with features you know and love: semantic color mapping, voice comparison, and literal and understood meanings. If you recall the answer correctly, click Yes, and the card goes away for this review session. It will appear again at a later date. If you have a word or phrase memorized already, click on the trophy and select Memorize this card. If you did not correctly recall the answer, click No, and the card will return again within the review session for another chance to get it right. Upon completion, you can see the cards you got right, wrong, and mastered. The Mango Review System, another way to advance your language skills.